Hi, yeah, so I think I'm gonna start vlogging, or something. It's just something that I just recently got kind of inspired by, so I'm gonna try to do some casual vlogs, and I just got off work. It's like after 4 p.m., so I'm gonna go home and craft, but before that, I'm gonna hang out with one of my coworkers and go get some drinks and maybe a snack. But yeah, I'm really sweaty, so I'm gonna go home and shower. So, first part of vlog. All right, I'm about to go have drinks with my coworker. I still kind of look like shit. I couldn't find my dark lipstick or nothing, so we're just going out as is. But yeah, we're probably just gonna hang out and talk shit. So nothing fancy. But yeah, I'm gonna go do that, and then when I get back, I'm gonna make burgers with Mister. I think we're gonna do mushroom Swiss burgers, and I'm like really excited. So yeah.
I got me a cranberry vodka when I visited my friend and also saw this really cute dog. Is that right next to us? It was great. Then when I got home, I got no crafting done because cat. And also mushroom Swiss burgers. Thank you, mister. Obviously, I passed out right after this.
Good morning. I fell asleep last night very early and didn't get any crafting done after work. So now I'm awake at 5 a.m. and I'm going to try to do a little bit of crafting. Okay, maybe I'm not getting up to craft. Hi, good morning. But don't you want to go craft? She stopped purring. She stopped purring when I asked her if she wanted to craft. You don't like crafting? So I'm currently working on some Nintendo pants with this fabric that I've had for literal years and years and years from Joann's. I've already got the other pant kind of done. Um, so yeah, I'm just going to continue to work on these and try to add more to them. God damn it.
Once I had gotten some work done, I ended up making some salmon at like 7 a.m. This really nifty frozen salmon, and then paired it with a Korean salad that I'd made the night before, and it was really good. Then I continued back with my work. At this point in the project, I thought the pants were looking just a little bit boring, so I wanted to make some more patches and adornments, and began making this one with some silver embroidery thread, but it didn't look that cute. I thought I liked it at first, but yeah, I tried it again, and it got all stuck in my machine, and it was a big issue, so I had to just completely clean it, which it needed, so all worked out.
Turning out way better. Finally back home after work today, and I'm gonna try to get back to my project I was working on. I don't think I could change my camera angle with my Nintendo project and my pants, but I'm also kind of tired, and I'm gonna be going to the a cool fabric store tomorrow, and I'm pretty excited about it. And me and Mister are drinking some vodka and just chilling. I'm already sleepy. I think I went to bed at 8 p.m. last night. But I'm gonna try to do some crafts, and if I don't do crafts, then we will see what shenanigans happen at the craft store. Not the craft. Well, it's kind of yeah, craft store. It's a giant craft store. So yeah.
Alright, cool. When you try to push, is it Sammy? You first. Yes. And then what happened with the knife next? You had the knife in your hand.
I don't remember a lot of it. I was kind of panicking.
Inspecting the area for nearly an hour. At 2:22 a.m., he opens John's bedroom window and climbs through. 17 minutes later, at 2:39 a.m., the intruder is seen slipping out the back with a gun in his hand.
Not right. Brown told the panel.
All right, we're getting ready to go to the fabric store. I am currently getting ready. Sorry, everything is a mess. Don't look. But yeah, we're getting ready now. I'm feeling a little bit anxious because I'm always anxious whenever I leave the house. Um, but yeah, I already know kind of what I want to make, maybe, or at least what I want to look for, which is mainly going to be some like grommets and stuff. Because I saw these really cool leg warmers that Naomi John mentioned from this Taobao store called Sea Fierce. So those were cool, and I also got inspired by Drag Race last week. Arietti had this really cool outfit that looked like it was like fully inspired by like trip pants. So like that's the vibe I'm thinking of, and then I'm just gonna kind of see whatever they have there that might inspire me for something else or for a future project. So I'm really stoked. Also, found out that I can use my AirPods as a mic, so that might help some of my vlogging sound better if I have them available at the time. So wish me luck with the fabric journey and meeting up with my friend.
The freaking gun in here is like kids' toys. It's like that is not. Pretty sweet. Kids' toys, $75. Love fashion shirts, whatever that says. It's such pretty fabric though. You just ignore all the words. Yeah, I thought it was a tin fish eating utensil, but yes, like the tails.
Yeah, make her tails.
This would be kind of perfect for the tails. Holy crap. Hi.
All right, we're back from the fabric store, and this is everything that I got. All right, so found some pretty cool blanket yarn. It's a gorgeous red color, so I'm really stoked about it. And got a another little crochet hook.
because I don't have size 4 yet. My main mission was for these little, I guess they're eyelets. I keep calling them grommets, but I got 5 times 15, whatever that is. It's 15 sets. So whatever math that is. Did I get 2 of these? I think I got 2 of these accidentally. I got 2 of the stupid ass tool. I got 2 of the same tool. Oh no, there's a 5th one. Okay. Okay, I don't know why I got 2 of the same tool. I don't know what happened there, but we got 5 packs of these. So 15 times 5 sets. I don't know, but hopefully it'll be enough maybe for the leg warmers if I decide to actually make that, which I think I will. I got some dye, red dye to dye my lace for my pearl cosplay. That is, mm, it's like probably 50% of the way done. So there's that. And then I got some fabric. This is just from like a scrap bin. So this is like a nice stretchy dark knit that I might make maybe a skirt, maybe pants out of. And then I've also got this, which also might be a skirt, maybe some bell-bottom pants, or like a cardigan, or like something with like a big, I could see like a hoodie of sorts with like a really big hood or something. I don't know. But these two actually go really well together, so maybe this will make an outfit out of this. And these were like maybe collectively together, this fabric was like 12 or $13, so not too bad. I spent a total of 35 on everything that I got here, which isn't, too bad. So I've got some projects to work on, so I'm really excited. Granted, I won't be working on these immediately because I already have a backlog of other projects to take care of. So I will be working on those. But yeah, other than that, I think I'm gonna get ready to go take a nap because leaving my house takes so much energy out of me. I don't know if I have energy to craft right now. I didn't get much crafting done in the last couple days, but it's not a big deal. But yeah, I do want to at some point talk more about why I've like started vlogging and everything, but my mind is just kind of all over the place, and I don't really have I haven't had time to like really sit down and put my thoughts together and like compile it in a way where I can just like speak it out. But yeah, I've been enjoying doing the vlogging. It's been a good motivator, and I hope to continue to do it. So yeah, this is just a little trial run to see how it goes, how I feel about it. And once I edit this video, I'll kind of have an idea of how long it takes and if it's something I want to like start taking on, because I used to overwhelm myself so much with trying to be like professional all the time and making sure that all my content was professional, and that I always had like a full face of makeup on, and that I always looked professional, and then I always wanted things to have like, a video to have like a cohesive theme or something. I don't know. And I always overthought everything, and I just want things to be a lot more casual now. And I feel like I can finally like separate that whole, being a full-time content creator and me relying on it for my income and everything, trying to kind of separate those things so like I can just enjoy posting content again and not worrying about how it's going to perform or anything like that, because I work full-time now, so I've got my bills and stuff covered. And I just want to, have fun with content creation again and not take it so seriously. So, yeah, I've been posting on Blue Sky a good bit. I've been enjoying that platform. Still mostly avoiding Instagram and Facebook. I pretty much don't ever post there. I'm not really posting on Twitter anymore either. Um, but yeah, I'm excited to maybe get back into YouTube vlogging and just see where things go. I'm excited to share my projects with you guys, and yeah, I appreciate you for checking out the vlog, and I will be chatting with you guys more later. So, yeah. Bye.